Hello people, today I am here to explain you about what the fungus is and when it was discovered and who discovered it and why it was came into attack in recent times. Now let me explain you when it was discovered and by whom it was discovered. In the year 1818, the German scientist Christian Gottfried Ehrenberg had discovered this fungus and it was named as Rhizopus nigricans, and later the name was changed into Rhizopus stolonifer by the French mycologist J.P. Willevin in the year 1902. Now let me briefly explain you what is fungi and where this fungi was found. Where these fungi found? It is naturally found in air, water and even food. It enters the body through fungal spores from the air or can also occur on skin after a cut, burn or skin injury. Now let me explain you people what is black fungus. Hey people, this is the word that you are hearing from the last 3 to 4 weeks. Actually, what is black fungus? Black fungus is the most dangerous disease which is affecting the people in recent times. The main causes of this black fungus is the people who are having diabetics, sugar and asthma problems. It mainly affects the people who are having these 3 types of diseases because the people who are facing with the COVID-19 need to take steroids. Due to those steroids, the people are getting more and more weaker and those are affecting with this black fungus. Due to this black fungus, it is affecting their nose, eyes and intestinal systems. Now let me explain you how does one can catch black fungus. Primarily, fungal spore floating in the environment give people this infection. One may also catch it when the fungus enters the skin through a cut, burn or other types of skin like trauma. On coming in touch, the fungus can stick to a body part. After a point, travel inward through the nose, sinus or lungs. Now, these are the people who are affected with black fungus. See, the people who are affected with black fungus had affected their nose and the eyes. It is affecting those 2 parts most dangerously. So people be safe and get out from the black fungus. Now let me explain you what are the symptoms of black fungus. Some early signs of the condition include sinus pain or nasal blockage on one side of swelling of the face, one-sided headache, swelling or numbness, toothache and loosening of teeth, says the Indian Council of Medical Research. What I am explaining is the ICMR is saying that the people who are affected with black fungus, these symptoms may be found on them. It is nasal blockage and having sinus pain and having one-sided headache and loosening of teeth. These are the main symptoms of the black fungus. How to get out of from this black fungus? See, if you follow these types of precautions, you can easily get out from the black fungus. What are those precautions? The most effective way to prevent the black fungus is to wear a mask while venturing out, especially to gardens, dusty areas where there is garbage bumping or food rotting. Secondly, wear long clothes and have less exposure to skin. Most importantly, for diabetic and other immune compromised people, controlling sugar levels and blood glucose is a must. People who are prescribed steroids should be constantly monitored and the dosage should be reduced in consultation with your doctor. Importantly, steroids must only be taken after consulting with your doctor. Do not self-medicine. Controlling diabetics is the best way for prevention of black fungus. Hey people, please, those who are having diabetics, please control as much as you can because you can prevent black fungus if you are controlling your diabetics and any other health problems. And some more precautions that need to be taken are some species of Cinephalis can reduce the asexual production of R. stolonifer and therefore may delay or even prevent the post-harvest disease caused by this fungus. which is an antifungal complex, also includes the fungal cell death via necrosis and apoptosis. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Stay home, stay safe.